These 4 times you should be okay if your baby is not burping. First, if your child is exclusively breastfeeded, they might not burp always. Second, if your child is not having a severe acid reflux and lot of vomiting, it's okay if baby is not burping. 3. If you have taken your child vertical at least for 10 minutes after feeding, it's okay if baby has not burped. And last but not the least, once you kept your child down, your baby is still peaceful, happy and contented. It's okay. There will be few times where child will not burp.